And of course, John being a former MVP and former champion in this league, he brings so much to the table.
Yeah, and very complimentary for now, I guess. Piscia dito muna.
Scoring the first basket of this game. Sazon, the turnaround jumper, is also good. Early answer in the game. Offensive rebound.
Well, that's a surprise contribution para dito kay John. You see him, another offensive rebound this time around. He got that putback.
Last time John Wilson was able to play in an MPBL game was that quickly there as a member of the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards. Ramirez from the corner, that rattles in.
Well, the important thing is itong...
Here in the first quarter, Ramirez playing the two-man game with Gabawan. That's intercepted by Wilson. Minus to beat. Wilson gets the basket and one.
Now, if this is going to be the version of John Wilson that
racing ever since he was a kid until now, and this inspires his need for speed on court as well. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Gianna. Excellent report. That's a very interesting topic. The corner pass. Calo, does it settle? Wilson does. At short, Macaloni, the easy putback para sa kanya.
Well, that's the value that you get with John Wilson out there.
Ball tap to Robbie Darang. Bringas is trailing behind, but Robbie Darang takes it himself and makes it.
So the three-pointer continues to be not friendly.
Soriano hands it off to Carl Bringas. Santos now from the corner swishes it through.
And the rhythm of the first quarter, 0 out of 7 versus 2 out of 7. Same attempts, but 6 more points in favor of Bataan. Finally.
But the answer by JC Collar brings the lead back to 4 here for the Nueva Ecija. Trying to reject the screen, but turns it over. Celis ahead of the pack. That's an easy 2 points para kay Robbie Celis.
This is what I was saying.
Once again, ito si Will Macaloni. Grimaldo, he's known for those one-hand shots. Those big hands aiding him in attempting those kinds of shots.
Laki.
16 to 12, Villarias from the outside. And this might just be the rhythm that you want from Nueva Ecija from the outside. Minute to play here in the first. Macaloni will take it from the free throw line. No problem para kay Will Macaloni.
Yeah, he's used to those perimeter shots. And the moment that you leave...
in terms of speed.
But that was a tough decision, I guess.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Harvey's with the team for quite some time already.
Right, then that's another 3 right there to finish off the first quarter.
Itong si Vince Magbuhos was able to knock it down. Our first quarter score brought to you by GameX. For Bataan, let's see if they can capitalize. Soriano from the corner. That is good para kay Jeremiah Soriano.
And it sure seems to us that efficiencies have been pretty decent para dito sa Bataan Risers.
Bayo from 17 feet knocks it down. 26 to 15 defense picked up by Bitoon. Bayo sidestep. What a beauty right there coming from JB Bayo.
And JB Bayo is one big man that actually gets deflections, can finish in open floor.
Sazon, one dribble pull-up jumper is pure. That's specialty of the house para kay Yves Sazon.
Oh, bira sa player yung right-handed na going right.
Bataan continues to play this zone. Bayo again from the free throw line. He's got it stuck on automatic.
Halos lumalabas, parang zone buster na itong si JB Bayo. No?
And there's a steal here for the Risers, and this might get James Castro going.
Yeah, yung mga situations.
Gets it back. Bitoon.
Wow.
That's all nylon para kay Chris Bitoon.
And kanina pinag-usapan natin kung paano. It's +6 in favor of Nueva Ecija, and 3 right there by Lastimosa. Pinag-usapan natin yan. He can shoot it from the outside.
Long range.
Nueva Ecija, the games are becoming very interesting now because you've got the top teams and teams who have actually gelled. It's like Vince Magbuhos with that 3 in the corner. Actually performing and competing now.
The Patriots getting some early burn here in the first half. Dom Vera has also come on para naman sa Bataan Risers, and instant impact para sa kanya. Pass. And Eman Calo will finish the 2 points.
Well, Eman Calo is your #1 guy in terms of steal.
Nueva Ecija bench, that's Celis, Macaloni, and JC Culliar. Biton from the free throw line. It's money para kay Chris.
Si Eman, medyo alam mong energy-wise, nandun eh.
Jamil Gabaon hopes that that basket will affect the energy of the Bataan Risers here in the final 2 minutes and 37 of the first half. Unfortunately for the Risers, that's another miss from downtown para sa kanila. Eman Calo will not be shy, and why not?
Wow. And that's Robbie Celis, right? Mabigat rin yung nasa ilalim. You know, Joseph Gabani really had all day after he went out. Speaking of Mitch.
Robbie Celis, follow-away jumper is good right there. 8 points now in the game. Their halftime score brought to you by GameX. Minus trying to break down the defense of Eman Calo. Almost walked there, floats it up and in. Mitchell Minus. That's the way you want to start the third quarter if you're Bataan. Throw. It's a screen from Grimaldo. He turns the corner. Castro goes inside and scores.
Yun talaga craftiness na sa side ni Jason Castro. The thing about mataas rin yung yung release niya, no?
Biton momentarily open. That's all the space he needs.
Yeah, you can't allow Chris Biton to have that enough to hoist up a 3.
Castro able to break away from Biton, and James Castro. Could this be the takeover moment for Astro Boy?
Other way, make the single digit. Watch out for John, who's gonna try and get to that corner.
Magbuhos hit 2 3-point shots in the first half, and he continues to be poisoned for the Bataan defense.
And he's just
there for Bataan. Ayay finds Villarias. Bullseye!
Hindi ka pwede magpahinga pag nag-turnover ka against dito sa Nueva Ecija.
Mitchell Minus tried to get it to Jeff Santos underneath, but here comes Chris Biton finishing on the other side.
Kahit sino makakuha ng bola, can make decisions out in the open floor.
Minus had Vince Magbuhos all over him, but created a little separation to get off that shot.
Yeah, tsaka puro pa atras yung depensa ni Vince eh.
We go to the other side. Nueva Ecija gets it to Villarias, and that is pure nylon para kay Byron Villarias.
Nakita mo yung konting hesitation ni Chris Biton.
That's excellent defense. Santos goes up, couldn't kiss it off the glass. Mitchell Minus. What an effort from the former Pampanga Giant Lantern.
Magandang effort eh. Nakikita.
Lastimosa lost it. Got it back. Lastimosa gets an opening and able to get the 2 points.
Yan yung difference, I guess.
Magbuhos. Culliar gets it back. JB Bajío able to get it on the reverse.
JB Bajío is going to be huge for Coach Don Dulay come the later games this season. I mean, the length pagdating sa mix.
62-48. Third quarter score brought to you by GameX.
Time alongside his teammates here from the Rice Vanguards.
Grimaldo gets a nice pass from James Castro.
Grimaldo has been
fourth quarter. Bayo sets the screen. Culliar back to JB. Bayo will score again. That 15 to 18 foot range has been blocked there by Macaloni, but Carbringas recovering underneath to score 2 points for Bataan. Grimaldo, the bounce pass. Astro Boy will get the 2 points.
One of the very few times that they were able to make Nueva Ecija pay. Really just making things whatever he can do for the game.
Jason Grimaldo beating the shot clock buzzer there. Making this a 10-point. Wilson, quick trigger. No good, but Eman Calo coming out of nowhere.
Well, for the most part, a lot of coaching doors and offensive rebounds.
Castro trying to dance with Will Macaloni. Gets the basket off the glass. The Astro Boy. A hard show by Jason. They go to Eman Calo. What a bailout shot by Eman Calo.
Yeah. Pero babalikan natin ang top.
Ramirez forced to go baseline. Minus gets it back to Ramirez. Adrian off the glass and in.
Kaya yung mga one-on-one initiate ng offense. Kasi wala sila halos two-man game eh. They don't have screen actions, right? And so they just allow one-on-one. Oh, what a move by Rob Celis. Man.
Just twit. Now it's with Chris Bitoon. Shot clock winding down now. Bitoon against another lefty. Idroby Darang, Chris Bitoon making the most out of that matchup. Basket and one for the former Manila Star. Short, Gabawan, power dribble, wala pa rin. Robbie Darang, short jumper is good. There with Santos. Nueva Ecija forces another turnover. Wilson Tocalo. Wow, picture perfect fast break para sa Nueva Ecija.
How about John Wilson running the length of the floor? 5 games that they lost by 1 possession. Could have been 1 games on their end.
Oh, Will Macaloni this time getting a pass from Chris Bitoon off the 2-man game. We now enter the final 2 minutes of this one, brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending GameX. Mitchell Minus scoring from the outside. Bullets a pass inside. Minus had to adjust, but still gets the 2. 82-70. Under 50 seconds to play.
Gonna milk this matchup.
Will Macaloni could not hit. Gets his own miss. Napaganda pa para kay Will Macaloni. Legit victory para dito sa Nueva Ecija. 85-70 our final score, brought to you by GameX.